Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to embed code in Weebly. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Weebly website right here at weebly.com if you've not already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by the main page where you can get started with logging into your account. So after logging into your account successfully, in the upper right corner, if you do not already have one, just create a new one, and after logging in and opening up your website, you'll be greeted by the home page right here, where we can take a look at all the sections we can access right here at the left side screen, such as overview, website, items, and so on. And now we can get started. So basically guys, to get started embedding into your website, we're going to open up the edit site option right here. So click edit site in the upper right corner. That's going to open up this editor right here where you can get started editing how your website looks. So it's going to give us this editor mode where we have a preview of our website, and at the left side screen we have all the sections we can access, such as our header, our footer branding, and so on. And now we can get started. So basically guys, this is how you can get started with embedding code. What we're looking for is right here called the add section option. You want to click add section. By clicking add section, it's going to open up this menu where you can take a look at all the options that you can access, such as featured items, featured categories, and so on. You can scroll down. By scrolling down, you can find this option right here that says embed code, and this is what we're looking for. You want to click on embed code. Clicking embed code is going to enable you to take a look at where you want to embed your code, how it looks, preview it, and so on, and embed your code into directly right here by double tapping on it, and here you can paste your embed code. So pasting it right here and then saving it is going to enable you to embed code into your website. After that, you can just publish it and so on, and it's going to appear right here. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.